This is the indicator called trade extractor. It has a display over there in the sign top corner, which shows total trades 25, out of which 88% are win and 12% are loss. 93% of buys are win and 80% of sells are win. So what it does is it learns the history. This blue vertical line is the line up to which the model learns completely. It learns completely. Actually, it derives a strategy in the history, and for example, it stores the strategy and it will use it in the future uncertain market, which is in the right side of the blue vertical line. Here I'm waiting for the signal here. So now I will show you the input parameters. This is the input parameters. It uses ATR, average true range, for take profit and stop loss. Even if we want TP and SL in pips, we can give input by setting the manual exit true, and we can set input in TPS pips. And then this indicator is applicable for binary options and Forex trading, stocks, plus anything. By setting this binary option true, we need to input the forecast period. For example, if you want to predict next 5 bars, we have to give the forecast period 5, so that it will predict the direction of the next 5 bars. This is the training section, where analyze period is 3000, minimum buys and minimum sells are 10-10, which is in training at least 10 trades in buy and 10 trades in sell it should take in last 3000 bars. So the algorithm learns last 3000 candlesticks and forms a strategy with validating at least 10-10 trades. Next one is I will auto update. If you set up auto update true, the algorithm automatically relearns in every 1 day. The learning time cycle is 1 day, which we can set any numbers as we want, as per the cycles we need. If you are using 1 hour chart, you can set 1 day time cycle, which is more than enough. Likewise, it depends on the time frame. We have to change the learning time cycle. If we have to verify it in history, we can set it to false and set the date up to which the trade extractor should learn, and after that it will show the signals that we will trade in live market. For example, if we set a date of 2020 07, today is 20, so if we set 10-15 days before, what we will get, it will load for a while because it is learning. Yeah, here's the line. Yeah, now it's learned. It is 26 trades and 77 minutes. Up to this blue line it learned. After this blue line it is showing the predictions. So for example, once again I have set time binary options to set. If we set it false, we can use it in Forex trading. So I'm setting it to Forex trading. It is loading. Yeah, it is loaded. So here's the signals. Here's the prediction. The first buy is a win, second buy is a win. This sell is a loss. This buy is a loss. Sell is a win. The buy is a win. So totally 6 signals, 2 are loss and 4 were winners. So for example, if we increase the analyze period, say here's 3000, if we increase the analyze period, the trade extractor will get more random data, so that the prediction will get even more accurate. For example, if we double it, for example 6000, if we set it to 6000, it will take a while because 6000 is quite a big data. It is loading. It is again. Yeah, it is finished loaded. Actually finished training. Its training part is finished and the predictions are here. Let's see. First one is a win, buy win, buy loss, sell win, buy win. So here we took 5 trades, out of which 4 are winner and 1 is loss. So this is how the accuracy increases as we increase our analysis period, because it gets more random, it learns more random data, so it gets more accuracy. For example, it learns more and it gets more mature. So this indicator is profitable. Thank you for watching this. If you like my ideas, please you can find a link in description for purchasing this indicator. You can buy it there, and I have provided my LinkedIn, my professional links over there. You can contact me there. Thank you.